To fix USB device not recognized in Windows 11. Start by disconnecting the USB device from your computer. Now plug it into a different USB port instead of using the same one. If you're using a USB hub, connect the device directly to your PC because USB hubs can sometimes cause connection or power issues. Also, if your computer has both USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 ports, try connecting the device to both. Some older USB devices work better with USB 2.0, while newer ones are designed for USB 3.0. If possible, test the USB device on another computer as well. If it works there, the issue is likely with your Windows 11 system, rather than the USB device itself. If the problem still isn't fixed, then right-click on Start button. Select Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Here, right-click on Unknown USB Device, USB Root Hub, Generic USB Hub, and USB Composite Device, then select Uninstall Device for each one. Don't worry, this won't damage your computer. Click on Start and restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the required drivers after a restart. Once Windows 11 starts again, reconnect your USB device and hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.